I'm thrilled to provide this unboxing of NBWTYA's Red Light Therapy Mask. Look how cool this mask is. I'm so excited to share it with you. It comes with great instructions, and as with all of their products, it is the highest of quality. It will show you just exactly how to use it. This Red Light Therapy Mask is a 7-color model with two 40 Pro LED lights. It is great for tightening and glowing your skin. It is wireless and portable LED mask, so you can travel around and you can see all the number of ports here. It is so great, and it is well received. It has an on-off button here, and you charge it with the provided charge. I have done so already. You can see how the red lights work. The different colors in these lights have different wavelengths. You can enjoy a salon level facial at home and comprehensively improve your skin condition while going about your daily activities. Its ergodynamic design fits perfectly on my face. I even can wear it over my glasses, and I can move about my day doing whatever I need to do. I wear it for 10 minutes while I'm doing other things, and I hardly even notice it. It's a very soft silicone. It's easily wipeable if you need to wash it. It has a very silky feel on my face. It's not irritating at all, and it folds up very well. You can easily fold it and take it with you. 10 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week, and you will see a wonderful result with your spa-like treatment at home. This product was gifted to me for my honest review, and I absolutely love the results.